Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of hiding your YouTube channel on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to youtube.com. Step 2. Go to the guide, represented by the 3 lines icon, and sign into YouTube Studio. Step 3. From the left sidebar, select Settings, which is represented by a gear icon. Step 4. In the Settings menu, select Channel Advanced Settings. Step 5. Scroll down to the bottom and select Remove YouTube Content. Please note that this link will take you to a page where you can delete or hide your channel. You may be asked to enter your sign-in details. Step 6. Select I want to hide my content. Step 7. Confirm what will be hidden on your channel by selecting the appropriate boxes. Step 8. Finally, select Hide my channel to complete the process. If you ever want to make your content viewable to others again, or if you want to upload, comment, or use playlists, you can re-enable your channel. And there you have it. You now know how to hide your YouTube channel on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.